Getting started with an online business doesn't require a fat wallet or fancy tools. In fact, you might be sitting on the next big idea while sipping your morning coffee. In today's video, we are taking a deep dive into the exciting world of online business creation. No investment required. Yes, you read that right. $0 startup costs. For all those who think launching a business necessitates a hefty bank account or the latest tech gadgets, think again. Instead, we will explore smart strategies that blend creativity, resourcefulness, and a dash of wit to get you started on your journey to financial freedom. We'll look at no-cost platforms, effective free marketing techniques, and even throw in a few AI-powered tools that can make your work feel like magic. Whether you are a seasoned entrepreneur or simply curious about making money online without spending a dime, this guide will show you that the only thing standing between you and success is the willingness to take that first step. So tighten your seatbelt, put on your innovation hat, and get ready for a thrilling ride towards building your very own online empire without breaking the bank. Let's begin this adventure together right now. When it comes to starting an online business with $0, the key ingredient isn't cash, it's creativity. The modern entrepreneurial landscape is a vast digital playground where ideas often matter more than budgets. In today's environment, countless free platforms and resources allow you to launch a venture without forking out money. It's like having a credit card with zero balance that never charges interest. In essence, your time, energy, and innovative thinking are the real currencies that drive your success. Many people believe that building a profitable business requires expensive software, pricey website hosting, and a barrage of ads. However, savvy entrepreneurs know that free alternatives often exist in abundance. Platforms such as social media, blogging services, or marketplaces allow you to connect with potential customers without a startup fee. Besides, building an online presence today is as comparable to creating a dazzling window display on a busy street. Except your display is digital and accessible to billions. This approach challenges the old cash is king mindset and champions the idea that smart work can overcome a lack of funds. With grit, humor, and perseverance, starting a business on a shoestring budget becomes a playground full of possibilities. It may require more elbow grease and brain power, and sometimes a witty remark or two, but the rewards can be immense. Embracing free resources, networking, and community support turns every challenge into a stepping stone towards success. Remember, many now famous companies began with nothing more than a laptop, a creative spark, and a plan to hustle hard. Today, you too are ready to join the club of entrepreneurs who prove that passion and clever strategies can unlock the door to prosperity. Dive in, experiment boldly, and remember, the best investment is investing in yourself right now. Start today and boldly embrace your journey. There are plenty of free online business ideas that can light the fire under your entrepreneurial spirit, each as unique as your favorite meme. First up is affiliate marketing, where you promote products you genuinely like and earn a commission. It's like getting paid for recommending your favorite pizza topping to friends. Another fantastic idea is dropshipping, a model where you sell products without ever holding inventory, which can save you from countless storage headaches. Freelancing and consulting are also top contenders. Offer your skills online, be it writing or graphic design, and watch as your talent turns into a paycheck. Blogging or content creation stands out as a cost-effective way to share your interests and expertise with the world. You can set up a free blog, create entertaining videos, or even stream your daily adventures, because who doesn't enjoy a good behind-the-scenes look at creative chaos? Online tutoring, virtual assisting, and even starting a podcast are other stellar, zero-cost ideas to consider. The charm of these ideas lies in their minimal financial risk combined with high potential returns. Picking the right idea depends on your passions, skills, and how much time you're willing to invest in learning and growing. Whether you prefer writing witty articles or orchestrating a digital storefront, every option comes with the promise of flexibility and freedom. So explore these ideas, test different waters, and soon you'll find the one that makes your entrepreneurial heart sing louder than your morning alarm. Remember, pursuing these free business ideas is not only a smart financial decision, but also an exciting adventure. Experiment with different strategies, Share your successes and setbacks, and most importantly, keep the humor alive. It is often in these creative explorations that true innovation blooms. Embrace the journey, laugh through challenges, and conquer your dreams, starting right now. Let's break down the process into clear, manageable steps that even the busiest among us can follow, all while keeping a smile on our face. Step 1. Identify your niche and target audience. Begin by brainstorming ideas that reflect your passions and skills. Ask yourself, what can I offer that will make people say, "Now that's interesting"? Research trends, observe what's buzzing on social media, and refine your idea until it feels as exciting as the newest viral cat video. Step 2. Build your online presence using free platforms. Leverage free website builders, social media accounts, and blogging platforms to create a digital space that represents you. Don't worry about having a fancy website design from the start. Think of it more like a digital handshake that says, "I'm here and I'm ready to make a difference." Use engaging visuals, witty descriptions, and honest content to attract your audience without spending a dime. Step 3. Develop value-adding content or products. Whether you're writing insightful blog posts, recording entertaining videos, or offering valuable digital products, the key is to provide genuine value. Let your creativity shine through and always aim to solve a problem or enhance your audience's experience. Consider it as sprinkling digital magic that transforms ordinary interactions into memorable moments. Step 4. Market your business using organic methods and networking. Utilize social media, online groups, forums, and other free channels to promote your business. Engage with your audience, join conversations, and share content that resonates. Your authenticity and sense of humor can be as contagious as a popular meme, turning followers into loyal customers. Step 5. Analyze performance and pivot strategies as needed. Regularly review your performance metrics through free analytical tools and pay attention to feedback. Learn from what's working and pivot strategies if necessary to better meet your audience's needs. Consistency, learning, and humor turn obstacles into opportunities for growth. Throughout these steps, embrace the journey with patience and persistence. Remember, every successful online business started with a single click and a quirky idea that just couldn't be ignored. Taking these steps one at a time makes the entire process both manageable and enjoyable. Consider every setback a quirky twist in your entrepreneurial story. When challenges arise, laugh, learn, and adjust course. Every small victory counts. Embrace each moment with passion, resilience, and a dash of humor that fuels your journey to success. Keep moving forward every day. Imagine having a digital assistant that works 24/7, never takes a coffee break, and helps streamline your operations. AI tools can be just that magical helper in your journey to online business success. There are several free AI-powered resources that can automate tasks, from content creation to customer service, freeing up your time to focus on strategies and creativity. Start by exploring AI content generation tools that craft engaging articles, social media posts, or even scripts. Hello, this video script. Chatbots available on many free platforms can handle customer inquiries, providing timely responses that leave a lasting positive impression. Use free analytics tools driven by AI to understand your audience, track performance, and refine your marketing tactics without spending a cent. Setting up these tools is often as easy as following a simple tutorial or clicking a few buttons. Experiment with different options, test their features, and integrate the ones that best fit your unique business needs. Whether you are automating emails, scheduling posts, or generating creative ideas, AI can be your secret weapon. It enables you to work smarter, not harder, while adding a futuristic twist to your business strategy. The beauty of AI lies in its ability to learn and evolve with your business. Even if you are new to the digital scene, the accessibility of these tools means you can level up your operations without a significant investment. Embrace the technology, stay curious, and let the digital magic amplify your efforts. With AI on your side, the possibilities for automation and growth are virtually limitless. So go ahead and let the algorithms do some of the heavy lifting for you. Explore these AI tools fearlessly and experiment with their features to create a seamless and efficient business workflow that elevates your brand to new heights, starting right now. Landing your first sale can feel like scoring a home run in a championship game, and it doesn't require a budget boost. Focus on building genuine relationships with your audience by offering valuable insights and engaging content. Leverage free methods such as social media shoutouts, collaborations, and word-of-mouth referrals to generate buzz. Experiment with different angles to see what resonates best. Sometimes a clever post or a timely response can turn a curious visitor into a paying customer. Consider diverse monetization strategies like affiliate marketing, digital product sales, or offering freelance services. Each method brings its own flavor and potential for profit. Stay authentic and patient as you fine-tune your approach and celebrate small wins along the way. With consistency and smart tactics, your first sale is just the beginning of a rewarding journey towards financial independence. Remember, every milestone fuels the momentum of your growing empire. Keep pushing forward. In summary, starting an online business with zero investment is entirely possible using creativity, free tools, and a